Next stock on the list is MU. MU's ATR is $4.23. First thing I'm gonna do is check the daily. This is for, wait, wrong date. Let me see. June 4th, 2025. No gaps on the daily. Now we're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. Mark our pre-market high level. Let's see. I'm not gonna give MU that much room because it's a rare play and I never expect that much out of it, and I don't want to get comfortable doing that. So I'm just gonna show you the levels. Let's see, who's this? Let's see. Okay. I feel like when you don't know how a stock play and you add a bunch of different levels, you're just hoping after first 2-3 candles, first 2-3 resistance hit for more. And out of these type of plays, I don't want to look for too much. After, if it runs, then you know for future. But I'll settle for the bare minimum, then double back on it the next time I'm watching it for a play for a bigger move. This is MU. Let's go to 935. Boom. So we hit the first target. Rake and hold and double top at the next target. Now let's see what happens at like 940. Let's see if we keep going. See? Nope. Couldn't hold, broke under. Now we're rejecting the resistance and coming straight back down. Next date we have is the next day on MU. Back-to-back days, back-to-back plays. Bring down the time frame. Sheesh. Let's see what happened on the daily. Any gaps? No gaps. We're at the downtrend that I mentioned now finally. Now you go to the 4-hour time frame. Mark this level for a high. You can see a bull flag forming. Let's see. I'm gonna mark off 2 levels. Again, 2 recent highs, those 2. This one will probably be crazy. As you can see in the last one, we came up and rejected 2 resistance. So again, for this one, I'm gonna do the same thing and see if we could get 2 touches out of this again. Let's see. Boom. So we got the 2 touches. Got the 2 touches, red to green. Trying to break and hold above the next resistance. Let's see what happens though. So we're struggling. Let's see what I could have done better. There was nothing else in this area recent, but I guess back here there were levels. Not really. As you can say, this high. Yeah. The reason why I put so much levels on Tesla is because I know Tesla can make those big moves. But on stock that you don't play that much or that often and you might not remember how it moves, it's okay not to put that much resistance.